Hello and welcome to 460 Fillmore, apartment number 2. Beautiful hidden gem of a flat. We have a nice, big, huge, enormous living room here. A lot of built-ins, lots of cabinetry. We also have a built-in couch, fantastic. TV and fireplace, also really fun. Lots of light here, super quiet as well. So even though we're just on Fillmore, it's really, really nice and quiet. We've got this beautiful backyard deck. And in the kitchen, there are additional built-ins. So we have a built-in kitchen here with the table and cushions. And then we go ahead and we'll look on into the kitchen. Lots and lots of cabinetry. Dishwasher as well. Beautiful fixtures in here. And we'll go ahead and step on in. We've got a little sliding glass door to go into the dining room. And here's our dining room. Again, beautiful, beautiful work, all newly repainted. Fantastic light fixture. There's also a little space here so that you can grow things in a little greenhouse, grow your own basil, rosemary, everything you need. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on down the hallway. We've got a nice big closet here, a lot of built-ins. The first bathroom, shower tub combination, single sink. And then on the right here as well, we have our washer dryer. Room is painted lovely and sunny and yellow. On the left, we have our first of the bedrooms. This one is all carpeted, a lot of space, TV hookups, cabinetry already installed here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on into the master bedroom. Again, a little bit of extra cabinetry already installed. Big, huge, enormous room. Lovely hardwood floors, floor to ceiling curtains. We have one big, huge mirrored closet here. Also has cabinetry installed. But if that's not enough, just wait, because there's more. There's a whole entire walk-in closet as well. Again, all built-in cabinetry. And then we'll go ahead and check out the bathroom. Double sinks, stand-up shower, and then seriously, check out this tub. It is amazing. We'll go ahead and take another little walk back through. Just so you can see everything one more time. It's so beautiful back here. This is one of those hidden gems that you almost never see in San Francisco. So thank you so much for coming and joining us. Hope to see you here soon. Hope you get a chance to come and look at this in person. It really is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. Bye.